It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Garden time. I've been spending some time out trying to sort the garden ready for this year. In the greenhouse, not much going on. Still needs sorting out in there. Ready for some plants to go in there to grow once I potted them on, to grow on before they go out in soil. I've sown the seeds and left them in the house because we're still getting some really cold nights. But the greenhouse needs washing down, and that will happen in a couple of days. Can't do any more. This that had my sweet corn at the end last year. I've got main crop potatoes in there. The supermarket ones, so I didn't do too well on them at all last year. So we'll see what happens this year. If it's not a good show, then I'll see if I can put something else there. I have nothing there at the moment, but here I have my shallots. Rhubarb coming through nice, and I now have two plants because I split the main one, and this one I just left last year and didn't pick from it, and it's doing well. So might see if I can split this one again. We'll see. Here, my kale, as you can see, it's still going strong if you like, but you can see it's going into flower. I aren't pulling it out because the bees quite like it, and then the chickens are going to have it. There's a chard in the middle of there still. Sprouts all picked. Herbs there need sorting out. Get round to that sometime. Where my leeks were, it's just a dumping ground until I sort that out and put plants in. My long bed here, it's still got the remnants of swede, and they're starting to go to flower, so that's the same as the kale. I'm sorry about this noise. People decide to do things as soon as I decide to video. My apple tree is just starting to bud. The flowers will be coming out soon, and the bees will like that as well. My gooseberry bush is all over the place. These are nice flowers, so I just leave them to go and they reseed themselves every year. My blackcurrant bush, and I give it a good cut. And that's my red currant bush, also had a good cut. I have sour potatoes in those, and also in those. I've got a staging here that I'll be putting overspill plants in it and that, but I've been trying to clear the weeds that are going through on here, and I've done the majority of it. You can see, I haven't done all of it, but can't do everything in a day. I certainly can't. So, and there's my washing line thing, whirligig. I just thought I'd show you what was going on in the garden at the moment. As you can see there, No, I'm not trying to grow some strongbow. It's my reward. When I come out here to work in the garden, I bring one out as an incentive to keep going, because once I've finished everything, or as much as I can do, I sit down with a can and just enjoy. Thank you. Bye.
It's a